Oh my god, a sneeze. Hey! Oh. Oh no, another one. Hello? Hey! Oh crap. Hey, how's it going? I'm Jordan. This is my channel, obviously. For you though, the few of you that has actually watched my videos, I'm sorry that my last update was 2009, promising that the next few days you're going to have more videos. Sorry it took about 3 years to get around to that few days, but anyway. This week, this is just sort of like a test to see how people respond to my vlogging videos, whether they're interesting or not. I don't really get up to much, to be honest with you. My life's not in that interesting, but hopefully vlogging will bring out the vibrance in my life. That doesn't make sense. You know, bring out the best in my life, show the best bits, bring out better attitude in me and things. I mess up all my words when I vlog or talk on camera because I'm just, I don't know, I get really nervous. Anyway, so today I'm not really up to much. It's already like 6 PM, but it's still kind of light outside. It's like the middle of the day, but that's just because I wake up really late. But today, the main objective for me is my best friend, who's called Jordan as well, has promised me that, well, he's going to do the cinnamon challenge. So I'm on my way to get some cinnamon currently. But the best part about it is that he doesn't know what the cinnamon challenge actually is. So it will be quite interesting. Like, he's never seen a cinnamon challenge video, never heard of it or anything. So that will be interesting. That will be in another video I'll upload after this probably. Oh no, actually, I'm uploading this tonight hopefully. So the cinnamon challenge I'll probably edit a bit more, so it'll probably be up in a few days, if not tonight. So these vlogs, I kind of want to describe what my life is like. I love watching YouTubers and people that do vlog, which has inspired me to try and do it. I suppose just to tell you a bit about my life, before any people ask, I have cystic fibrosis. In 2003, oh my god, a sneeze. Hey! Oh. Oh no, another one. Hello? Hey! Oh crap. Woo! Woo! Anyway, like I was saying, yeah, I had cystic fibrosis. In 2003, I had a double lung transplant. In 2006, I had rejection with those lungs, and my lung capacity went down to 15%, 15. And yeah, so in vlogs, if you see me out of breath and stuff, and you know, sometimes I have to wear oxygen, like a nasal cannula, but I think that's what it's called, just, you know, like the oxygen thing. That's why, okay? So, oh my god, I'm going over a speed bump, you might fall off. Oh, okay, you're good. Okay, I'm near the supermarket now. Gonna get some cinnamon. Cinnamon. Do you ever have that when you try and say a word and it comes out so wrong? Or do you ever have the thing when you have two words and you mix up the first letters of each word? Like park arc, I always say that. And then don't realise I'm doing it when I'm doing it. And then, anyway, I'm rambling now. Yeah, next food vlogs, I'm going to be describing my life and showing you what I get up to and stuff, and things I like and do and all that whatnot. So, I hope you enjoy. Smiley face for the pedestrian. Hope you enjoy the vlogs. If you don't, then I'm sorry about that. Well, you know, sorry about my life, but not entertaining enough for you. But yeah, so like a crazy person, I'm going to be talking to myself a lot this week on camera. And I hope you like it. Okay. Another crazy person. Okay, yeah, peace out. This is Jordan. He is the challenger. The challenger. Right, so, you know the deal. You know the job you gotta do. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? We just did the cinnamon challenge. Well, he did. And I was actually blown away how well he did. He like fucking blew it away. I swear a lot when I'm around Jordan. I think he's a bad influence on me. But yeah, so he did the cinnamon challenge.
Alright, mate.
He didn't freak out or anything or choke. He was sick a bit at the end, but it's because I added like half another spoonful of cinnamon to his mouth. And then his mouth pooped.
Was not nice at all, I tell you.
So it wouldn't be a common choice for a snack, no?
No, definitely not. No, thou shalt not do that ever again.
And do you reckon you'll have cinnamon grahams after this?
No, I hate Grahams anyway.
I hate Graham too. What a knob. Yeah, on us. So yeah, that's our cinnamon challenge.
I hope you enjoyed.
So yeah, but this is a daily vlog now, so we can just talk about whatever.
Yeah, but I'm be swearing, so it can't go on YouTube, can it?
Yeah.
Can it?
Quite pissed. You can say whatever you want on YouTube.
Yeah.
So when me and Jordan hang out, you'll probably notice in the vlogs we quote a lot of movies sometimes, so you don't always understand our random quotes. It's okay. Who told you? Say that a lot.
Shakespeare in the Park. No, shit, I fucked that up.
He does a lot of bad jokes too.
Bad joke.
Have you noticed? Oh, cinnamon challenge aftermath there.
He's doing filming me. Get the camera out of my face.
Get the fuck out of my face. So yeah, I don't know what it is for the last few days, but it smelt like holiday outside. Like, I don't know what it is. What was that?
Yeah, I know.
It's my choo-choo.
Yeah.
Everyone tell Jordan, him, it's really weird when he smokes, because every 2 seconds he had to spit on the floor.
Yeah.
Tell him to stop that. It's gross. What should we do for the rest of today? Okay, everyone answer out there, whoever watches this. Do you prefer PlayStation or Xbox? I prefer PlayStation, and I don't want Xbox, so you've got to pay for it. It's simple as that. But if you want to add me on PlayStation, bing, right there. If you want to add him, bing, right there.
So, yeah, movies to go and see, upcoming, yeah. You've got to see The Avengers if you haven't seen it.
Yeah,
Prometheus coming out on the 1st of June.
is?
Prometheus. Prequel to
Oh yeah, the Alien one.
That looks good.
Oh,
Spider-Man.
American Pie's good.
Yeah, that's funny.
I like that. It's like, if you like the first three, like the classic ones, you'll like this. It's everything you want from it.
It's got all the original cast.
It can't be anything more, but it's good for what it is.
Spider-Man coming out. Batman.
I'm Batman.
Why do you want to kill me? This isn't a car. Judge Dredd. And next year's the big one for me. Superman.
Oh, right, okay. If you know Jordan, you absolutely know he loves Superman. He will do dirty things to him in a dark place.
Hey, that's...
I tell you, it's just
It's not true.
He has an obsession.
I'm Superman.
But then I like Batman, so...
Yeah.
And it's just like, I'm just like Batman. I'm like a millionaire and have no pounds.
you want to know a bit about me, I have 3 different jobs. I work at Empire Cinema, a gym.
And he's a brain surgeon.
I'm an actor, or aspiring actor, as they call it?
Aspiring.
Aspiring, yeah.
Yeah. You've been in a bread advert.
Bread advert, EastEnders.
It's like a long time English soap.
Done Sherlock Holmes and Batman.
Yeah, I was in Batman. You might have seen me. I had like white face paint on and a purple suit, but you know, I was only in for a couple of hours and everything.
I directed it, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought I'd show you my car. This is my car, you know. I like it. It's a 2009 Golf. His name's Eddie. I drive hard. Oh, thanks, Jordan. He's so helpful. Look at him. Look at him.
You want a spoon?
Cinderella, Cinderella night. Chicken nuggets, please. Awesome. Hi.
Oh,
thanks.
okay, thank you very much. Did you get your drink? A milkshake?
No, I've got a Coke. You want a Coke?
No.
Do you want a Coke?
No, I'm fine.
Do you want a Coke?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm cool.
Do you want a Coke?
No, what?
You sure?
I'm sure.
You've been a woman about it.
No,
You sure?
I'm sure, man.
You're gonna cry?
No.
You're gonna cry? You're gonna be tearful? You're gonna cry?
Fuck off, just because you got a camera on.
And you're gonna cry? You can cry.
Fuck off, mate. Fuck. What? Don't try it. Son, just don't.
Just
Fuck you. Do you want a nugget? Do you want a nugget?
no.
Fuck off!
Oh.
I'm so glad